Alright, today we're going to make Thanksgiving Day appetizers before your turkey dinner. Start out with some turkey stovetop stuffing. Here's what we'll do. It's going to be pretty good. Get the bag in there. Then they want a cup of hot water. I got some boiling. Cup of hot water is poured in there. That's 1 cup hot water. All right, stir it up. All right, yeah, mix it up real good. Just 1 cup of hot water. Real nice, Kylie. Get your 1 pound of Jimmy Dean's sage. See the sage?
And then you just want to squeeze that in there.
Pour all that in there. There we go. Throw that away. 2 cups of
Extra sharp cheddar cheese.
2 cups of extra sharp cheddar cheese.
Oh, bad.
2 cups.
This is
And
what
the
it
best
looks
way
like
to do
so far.
is hold the spoon.
Do it with your hands?
Yeah. With your hands. Just mix it all up real good. Yeah, just keep mixing for a while till you get it all mixed up.
Probably like 1 minute.
Yeah. Gotta do. Mix it up, fold it in. All right, let me wash my hands off. Let's preheat the oven to 375. 375. Cranberry sauce mixed up. Get your nice cranberry sauce ready. Now we have 1 big ball in here. All we need is some little balls.
Yep.
About that big around like a golf ball. I'll help you. Look how him look. All right.
What?
All right. These are pretty good for advertisers. Hey, next I want to do the old-fashioned dressing. We'll do that pretty soon. And we'll put it on here.
And I'll be in the video.
Yeah. It's from my grandma and my mom. Used to make the old type dressing. Cornbread and eggs. It's going to be good. Make room in there. How many more is left? Oh, okay. What do you think? These are going to be good. We'll show you what to do when they're done.
What do you do with the
About 20-25 minutes, 375. Nice and brown, and they'll look good. Give the oven a few more minutes to preheat.
Yeah.
All right, we're going to put these in the oven.
Yeah.
There you go.
I got it.
You got it? Don't touch nothing. Slide them right in the middle.
Can you get that?
In the middle, yeah. Right there. Now about 20-25 minutes. And we're going to taste test them. Right?
Yeah. Okay, now we're going to take them out.
All right, let's check them.
They look so good.
Yeah.
That's what they look like. They are sizzling, so can I take them off the pan?
Huh?
Can I take them off the pan?
Yeah. Put them on here.
Here, I think we have another one.
Huh?
I think we have another. Excuse me.
Here, no, you can use this. There you go. Come on. Paper towel. Be gentle. Good. Okay, looks good. We're gonna try it. They're pretty hot. You just put a little bit on there.
I don't want any on mine. I don't like cranberry sauce. And you don't have to eat it with the cranberry sauce if you don't like cranberry.
Mmm. They are real good.
I'll be ready.
These will be a hit at Thanksgiving.
Can I try it?
But Thanksgiving Day appetizer.